How to stand out in a saturated affiliate marketing market. So in this video, I'm really going to break down a step-by-step process that you can follow to help yourself stand out more. But first of all, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on a notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I drop every single week on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing so that you can sack your boss and live a true life of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. Now, if any of you are looking for a free training on how to start, grow, and scale your affiliate marketing business, I do recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out the free training that I've put together on that. So step number one is to focus on solving problems instead of selling. This may sound a little bit counterintuitive, but honestly, if you're just focusing on selling, then that energy is going to wear off on your prospects and people are going to see right through the smoke. So you really want to focus on helping people solving problems by, providing value and doing things like that. Now, I do recommend doing some market research so that you can really understand your market on a deep level. When you can understand this stuff, it's really going to help you stand out from the masses because you're going to understand exactly what your prospects are going through and exactly how to solve those issues. And when you're able to do that, it's powerful because you can use this in your marketing. You can tap into those pain points and you can educate them on why what you're selling is a solution to their problems. And just to give you an example, let's say, for example, that you're a busy parent and you're working 60 hours a week, you're constantly away from your kids, you're missing out on watching them grow up. That can be quite a painful problem in people's lives, right? So if you can focus on, saying, look, I've got this affiliate marketing program, can help you make passive income online, then this may sound more appealing than their 9-to-5 job, and people will pay you money to have those problems solved. Step number two is to make sure that you're selling a high quality product, okay? I cannot stress how important this is. If you haven't purchased the program that you're selling, then I don't recommend selling it at all. I recommend purchasing everything that you decide to sell as an affiliate marketer, because then you can have more confidence in what it is that you're selling. You can also give more information about the product that you're selling because you know it, right? Versus just going on to ClickBank or JVZoo and just, grabbing this product this week, grabbing that product this week, thinking, okay, I can make a commission off of that. It's really just not going to work. It's not going to help you stand out. So when you can understand this stuff, guys, it's really going to help you stand out more in the marketplace. And step number three is to make sure that you're selling to a niche that actually has money, okay? If you got value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below. But for now, I'm out. I'm Mattis, and I'll catch you on the next one.